Welcome to this video on mastering torque speed curves, an essential topic for students, teachers, and electricians in the field of electrical engineering. We will start by defining the core torque definitions that explain motor behavior from standstill to full speed. Starting torque, or TST, is the breakaway force developed at the instant of starting. If it's insufficient, the motor will hum and draw excessive current without turning. The starting torque must be higher than the load torque to overcome friction. This phase involves a high inrush current, often 6 to 8 times the full load current. Full load torque, or TFL, is the rated operating torque required for steady-state operation. It is calculated using the motor's power and speed. Operating at TFL ensures optimal efficiency and thermal stability. Peak efficiency occurs near the full load, slightly below synchronous speed, known as slip. Pull-out torque, or TPO, is the maximum torque the motor can develop, representing the peak of the torque speed curve. Exceeding TPO causes the motor to stall. Visualizing the curve shows how torque varies with slip. The curve goes from standstill at A to the peak pull-out torque at C, and finally to the full load operating point at D. Here are some practical tips for electricians. VFDs control speed and high torque at low speeds. When sizing, ensure the motor's starting torque is at least 25% higher than the load's breakaway torque. This comparison chart summarizes the different torque types, their synonyms, importance, and typical values relative to full load. For students and teachers, the torque speed curve is vital for understanding motor dynamics. Focus on the P equals TX omega relationship and how slip affects frequency and torque.